2017, there was a review by some nurse scientists, and their names are Bates, Salisbury, and Ford. And they pulled together a bunch of different studies that measured stress in toddlers and preschoolers. You know, it's easy to think that toddlers and preschoolers wouldn't have stress. Not so true. Okay. They actually measured cortisol, which is a stress hormone in their hair, which is just like a simple way to kind of like get a sample without kids having to like spit, which is like the usual way we collect cortisol in adults, or like blood tests and things like that. Okay. And they actually found a lot higher cortisol levels in children exposed to ongoing stressors. So in this case, they were they noticed that in particular, children who had lower socioeconomic resources or higher maternal distress, so parents that were really distressed, were a lot more stressed out than other kids. So in other words, persistent stress does show up biologically in kids, and it's likely through the HPA axis. Now, what in the world is an HPA axis? So this is basically talking about how your brain affects your adrenal system. And for those of y'all who are science geeks out there, it's the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis. This